विश्व शांति धारा। मनुष्य आज विनाश के कगार पर खड़ा है। पूरी दुनिया में अशांति फैली हुई है। ऐसे में विश्व शांति की आवश्यकता बहुत ज्यादा और तेज हो गई है। इस अशांत वातावरण में विश्व शांति कैसे और किस प्रकार हो सकती है, इस पर विचार विमर्श करने के लिए दुनिया भर के ज्ञानी, साधु संत, शास्त्रज्ञ और तत्ववेत्ता पुणे में एक साथ आए। अवसर था लोनी स्थित दुनिया के सबसे बड़े विश्व शांति गुंबद में आयोजित विज्ञान, धर्म और तत्व ज्ञान पर आधारित 8वीं वैश्विक संसद का। इस 3 दिवसीय समारोह में सहभागी ज्ञानी वक्ताओं ने विश्व शांति और मानव कल्याण के विषय पर अपने विचार प्रकट किए। आइए सुनते हैं उनमें से कुछ चुनिंदा विचार विश्व शांति दर्शन पर प्रसारित एक विशेष कार्यक्रम में, जिसका नाम है विश्व शांति धारा।
नमस्कार, विश्व शांति धारा में आप सबका स्वागत है। विश्व विख्यात शास्त्रज्ञ डॉक्टर रघुनाथ माशेलकर जी ने कहा कि आज विश्व शांति की आवश्यकता सबसे ज्यादा महसूस हो रही है और विश्व में शांति तब होगी जब मन की शांति प्रस्थापित हो।
It's a special morning. It's a special place. Whenever I stand here, it is so inspiring. You feel uplifted. You feel spiritual. Just standing here and looking here. I remember, Karar sir, that when this dome was inaugurated and dedicated to the nation, I had said at that time that this dome is not a physical object. It is a spiritual message. This dome, its magnificence lies in its message, which needs to move around the world. And today is the time, more than ever before. Karar sir kept on talking about the importance of not just peace, but word peace, all along. Even the name of the university with word peace is very unique. I don't think there is any other university which carries that. That actually shows our commitment to the word peace. But my friends, it is not just peace within. It is not just peace outside. The peace outside depends upon the peace within. Let us realize that. And that is when Dr. Vijay Bhatkar talked about spirituality. I want to quote the greatest scientist that ever was born, Einstein. And he had said, everyone who is seriously involved in the pursuit of science becomes convinced that spirit is manifest in the laws of universe. A spirit vastly superior to that of man, and one in the face of which we, with our modest powers, feel most humble. The greatest scientist in the world recognizing the importance of spirituality. And in fact, Mahatma Gandhi had said that if science and spirituality go hand in hand, then one can create heaven on this holy earth. Einstein and Gandhi, I don't have to quote anyone beyond them. So to me, although I am a scientist, I feel that spirituality is an inner journey to discover inner peace, and is all about expanding our capabilities to live, to love, and to learn. Actually, we talk about knowledge of the external world, but the knowledge of our internal world will give more power, more mastery on our own life. And therefore, spiritual values are creative mechanisms working to stabilize our society. Today our greatest challenge is social disharmony, which you can see all around. And our future can be only protected in this way. Therefore, the compassion, the kindness, the sympathy, the caring, these are the spiritual values that we need most. There was a reference that was made to what is happening in the world today. Mangesh mentioned about that. And one is really worried. As we speak, the war is in the 36th day today. All right, Russia and Ukraine. But is it the only war that we are talking about? The war has bigger manifestation, according to me. Inequality is a war. Sir, you got all the religions coming together today, just early in the morning. What is happening in Karnataka? You have seen that? The headlines? There is a row over hijab. There is a ban over temple traders. Although there is a freedom to carry out your business anywhere is a fundamental right. Halal meat is boycotted and so on. As we speak, that is not peace. Look at this particular case which has bothered me so much that I keep on mentioning about this. There is this young man, Chandrasekhar, along with his wife and a son. He belongs to this Chennadasar community in Maipur village in Karnataka. His 2-year-old son is standing with him. They have gone to seek the blessings in a Hanuman temple. They are standing outside. The son leaves the hand of the mother and runs into the temple. You know what happens? The priests find that Dalit family 25,000 rupees. For what? For purification of the temple. To me, this is a war. This is not peace. This is not what we are trying to achieve in these 3 days. I think when we look at the outside wars, we have to look at these inside wars that are destabilizing our society. That's extremely important. The other point I want to make on the positive side is that, Karar sir, I want to, as usual, you come out with great ideas, and one of them is distributing upper 1.25 lakh copies, 1.25 lakhs of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I think it's a great idea. There is some audience here for whom I will speak in Marathi. Srimad Bhagavad Gita या महान संपूर्ण मानवतेचा हा जीवन ग्रंथ म्हणून ओळखला जातो आणि श्रीमद भगवद्गीता ज्ञानभवनाचा लोकार्पण आज आपण करत आहोत. माझ्या मते ही मोठी घटना आहे.